Good morning and welcome to Excellency Accounting Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss the fundamentals of financial accounting. The fundamentals of financial accounting. Before we can start, we first of all have to define accounting. Define accounting. The definition of accounting. When we define accounting, we refer to accounting as an information system. An information system. An information system that involves the process of financial data collection, classification, summarizing, recording, interpreting, and analyzing, reporting, and communicating to stakeholders for communicating to the stakeholders for decision making. Now we are going to underline the keywords of the definition that we first of all have to discuss. Everyone should remember that the business is made to generate profit. So in order for us to arrive at the profit, we first of all have to record all the information that relates to the profit making of the business. Now, that being the case, we first of all have to underline the word collection and classification, also summarizing, recording, interpreting and analyzing, reporting and communicating to stakeholders for decision making. These are the keywords of our definition. This brings us to the point that in order for us to deal with the financial information, we first of all have to collect the business information. Where are we going to collect the business information? This brings us to another element of our discussion, which is the accounting cycle. Some call it the flow of business information. That says there should be source of information, which is the source documents. From the source documents, we are now going to classify the source documents into the books of original entry, whereby we are going to record in the books of original entry. That is why the classification is seen. We have the sources collection, then we have to record in the books of original entry. First of all, we have to classify into the books of original entry. then record from there. We post to the ledger. We post to the ledger from the books of original entry, post to the ledger. From the ledger, we extract the trial balance. Extract trial balance. Trial balance. Then from the trial balance, we prepare the financial statements. Financial statements, which is the statement of financial position and the income statement for each purpose that will be discussed. So this brings us to this one, the accounting cycle. Now, for the next video, we are going to discuss the source documents and the books of original entry, in which the information after collection from the sources will first of all be recorded. This means we will have to collect, we classify, then we record in the books of original entry. So this is going to be our next topic for discussion. In this topic that we have talked about now, or in this fundamental that we have talked about, our learners should first of all be able to, able to define accounting, able to give the definition or define accounting as an information system. Definition of or define accounting